Repeat after me. Slow English shadowing. I cut the vegetables. I cut the vegetables. I wash the rice. I wash the rice. I boil the water. I boil the water. I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. I mix the sauce. I mix the sauce. I taste the soup. I taste the soup. I add some salt. I add some salt. I cook the noodles. I cook the noodles. I prepare the plate. I prepare the plate. I serve the food. I serve the food. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. I clean the table. I clean the table. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I water the plants. I water the plants. I tidy my room. I tidy my room. I wipe the windows. I wipe the windows. I organize my desk. I organize my desk. You are doing great. Keep learning and keep improving.